I mean like in the late future, not near future, or like a month, but I'm not in like a month, but in like a year. What's the Courser's Captain? Oh yeah, it does depend if they're distributed in cratings. What? I think the Strange Stratagun right now is only like 1.83 ref.
Yeah, a Strange Enforcer for 3.77 refined metal.
Did you get the spray from my directions? Yeah, I helped someone out today. Cool, what is it?